Hi, Sass. How are the puppies doing?
They're doing great. We have both the littles here. We'll start with Little Lambs.
Okay.
This is Horatio. This is Hobbs the Million Man. Hobbs. This would be
Duncan.
Soil. Duncan?
Yeah.
Duncan. And this is Soil, right here. This is Margaret. And this is Clarenda. And then Kaya's little is Wilbur and Oval. You can see Oval is a lot smaller than Wilbur, and they're little mates.
Yeah.
They seem like twins.
Go over in that one more time. We have Horatio, Hobbs, Duncan, Soil, Clarenda, Margaret. Kaya's little is Wilbur and Oval. The Wright brothers.
Yes. Thank you.